Nau mai, kia ora. My name is Chloe.
And moi at WINTON School, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our mere the 20th of Movember. Looking good, Winton.
And lots going on today around school, so whakarongo mai koutou.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. Everyone needs to wear one.
And a reminder about wearing your sun hats at interval and lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
Okay, Slurpers are on sale by the barbecue, $1 each. Wrappers in the bin, kia ora.
School council news. You have your usual meeting this week. Thank you.
Okay, on to te Kupu o te Wiki. This week's word is pakeke, which is te reo for grown up.
As in kua pakeke here koe e te tau. You're growing up, my darling.
Yeah, I'm retiring today and start collecting the pension on Tuesday.
Okie dokie. Winton's Got Talent news. A big ka pai to all yesterday's performers, and can all of the year 0, 1 and 2 contestants please meet Mr. C in the library at interval.
And Mr. Chapman would also like to see Ruby H and Annalena in the library too. Kia ora.
Mr. Wadsworth has everyone's music files from the performances. All CDs and memory sticks can be collected from the office at morning tea. Thank you.
Touch news. Tigers, you're up against Lime Hills tonight.
Even though you have 2 try-scoring machines in your team, you need a training run, so meet outside the library at 12:45.
That includes you, number 1 dummy half G, Nugget and Coach Tumiki.
School magazine team, can you please meet Mr. T in the library at lunchtime? Kia ora.
Okay, birthday news. Only one today at WINTON School.
Jordan Crookshank is all the pakeke today and is turning 11.
That's right. Happy birthday, dude. Rafano kia koe.
Okay, Water on the Campfire is the song at Assembly de Savo is Deo Deo, the Banana Boat song.
And that's it for the week. From us all here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a te Wiki.
Stay sharp and hide at our WINTON School.